Hi, welcome to Premium Care. Many patients ask us about the process the day of the surgery, so I'm going to take you through. Here is the lobby. This is the main entry of our facilities at Premium Care Medical Suites. You are going to be greeted by Kate or by Anna, and here we are going to do all the documentation and preparation for admission. In this step, we will make sure that you have all the informed consent signed for surgery, anesthesia, and nursery treatment. Once you come to the preparation area, you will be received by our nurses and our medical team, and we will get you ready for surgery. As part of the preparations for surgery, we will get your IV to start the medications, you will see the anesthesiologist, and this is also a great time to finalize any questions that you may have with your surgeon. Also, we will do the surgical markings, and then we will have everything ready for surgery. After surgery, you will come to the recovery area. In this area, we will keep you warm, without pain, and we will get you ready to go to your accommodation.